Welcome to our channel, Only for Seniors. I'm Dr. Eric John, a physician who has dedicated his career to the health and well-being of older adults across the United States. Today, we're going to talk about something that doesn't always make the headlines, but it's one of the biggest challenges many seniors face: financial traps. If you're over 60, retired, or thinking about retirement, this video is for you. Because the truth is, financial traps are everywhere. They often come dressed up as opportunities, deals, or too good to be true offers. And sadly, many seniors fall into these traps without even realizing it, losing hard-earned savings that should have been there to support their golden years. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to recognize these traps, avoid them, and protect your money so you can enjoy the retirement you deserve, free from unnecessary financial stress. So grab a cup of tea or coffee, sit back, and let's dive deep into the financial pitfalls seniors must avoid. Part 1: The reality of financial traps for seniors. Let's start with a reality check. In the United States, millions of seniors over 60 report being victims of financial exploitation every year. According to recent data, older Americans lose billions annually to scams, hidden fees, or poor financial decisions. Why? Because seniors are often targeted. Many older adults have retirement savings, pensions, or Social Security checks coming in. That steady income makes seniors a prime target for scammers, aggressive sales tactics, or misleading offers. But it's not just strangers who can cause financial harm. Sometimes, the traps come from companies, financial institutions, or even well-meaning friends or family members. That's why awareness is your first line of defense. Part 2: The first trap: high-interest credit cards and loans. One of the most common traps seniors fall into is credit card debt. Many older adults live on fixed incomes. When unexpected expenses come up, medical bills, home repairs, or even helping children or grandchildren, seniors sometimes turn to credit cards or short-term loans to cover the gap. The problem? These cards often carry interest rates of 20% or higher. That means a small balance can balloon into an overwhelming debt very quickly. Imagine charging $1,000 on a card and only making minimum payments. With high interest, that $1,000 could cost you thousands over time. What you can do? If you must use credit, look for low-interest cards offered by credit unions. Always pay more than the minimum balance. Avoid payday loans or cash advances at all costs. These can trap you in a cycle of debt that's nearly impossible to escape. Part 3: The second trap: timeshares and vacation deals. You've probably seen them: glossy brochures, slick presentations, and enthusiastic salespeople promising you a lifetime of dream vacations for a one-time cost. Timeshares sound appealing, but for most seniors, they're a financial trap. Why? Because timeshares come with ongoing maintenance fees that often increase every year. Even if you don't use the property, you still have to pay. And selling a timeshare later is extremely difficult. What you can do? If you love to travel, consider alternatives like renting vacation homes or joining travel clubs that don't lock you into lifelong commitments. Always remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Part 4: The third trap: reverse mortgages misunderstood. Reverse mortgages are heavily advertised to seniors. They promise quick access to home equity, giving you cash in hand without selling your house. For some people, reverse mortgages can be a helpful tool. But for many seniors, they're a trap. Fees are high, interest adds up quickly, and if you don't fully understand the terms, you could risk losing your home. What you can do? Always consult with a trusted financial advisor before signing a reverse mortgage. Explore alternatives, such as downsizing or refinancing, that may offer better long-term benefits. Part 5: The fourth trap: investment scams and guaranteed returns. If someone promises you a guaranteed return, your alarm bells should go off. No legitimate investment is truly guaranteed. Seniors are often targeted with scams involving fake bonds, fake real estate projects, or even cryptocurrency schemes. Scammers know older adults want safe investments, so they use words like low risk and guaranteed to build trust. What you can do: never invest in something you don't fully understand. Always check that the company or broker is licensed with the SEC or FINRA. Be wary of unsolicited calls or emails pushing investment opportunities. Part 6, the fifth trap, helping family beyond your means. This one is sensitive. Many seniors want to support their children and grandchildren. But too often, older adults put their own financial security at risk to help others. Whether it's co-signing a loan, covering repeated expenses, or giving large gifts, these decisions can drain your savings quickly. What you can do: remember, your financial security must come first. Offer emotional support and guidance to family, but set firm boundaries when it comes to money. Part 7, the sixth trap, healthcare costs and insurance confusion. Medical expenses are one of the biggest financial burdens for seniors in America. From Medicare to supplemental insurance, the system is complex, and hidden costs can add up quickly. Many seniors pay for unnecessary insurance plans or don't realize what is already covered under Medicare. What you can do: review your Medicare and supplemental insurance coverage annually. Seek free counseling from state health insurance assistance programs, SHIPs, to make sure you're not overpaying. Part 8, how to stay safe and financially strong. Avoiding financial traps comes down to 3 key steps. Education: stay informed about common scams and financial pitfalls. Trusted advisors: always consult a financial advisor, accountant, or lawyer before making big decisions. Boundaries: learn to say no to high-pressure sales tactics or family requests that put your stability at risk. And remember, it's never too late to protect your money. Every dollar you save from being wasted is a dollar that stays in your pocket, supporting your independence and happiness. Closing message. Friends, money is more than just numbers in a bank account. For seniors, money represents freedom, dignity, and peace of mind. You've worked hard your entire life, and you deserve to enjoy your retirement without falling into these costly traps. I hope today's discussion helps you recognize the red flags and gives you confidence to make safer financial choices. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other seniors in your community. And remember, here at Only for Seniors, we're committed to empowering you with the knowledge you need to live your best life after 60. I'm Dr. Eric John, and until next time, stay informed, stay safe, and take care of yourself.